Hello, I'm Johnny. Thanks again for watching Off the Download on my YouTube channel here. I happened upon a YouTube video called From Technical Intuition, and it was about remote viewing. I've always been interested in remote viewing and learning how to do it. So this video says that it can teach you how to do it in a relatively short amount of time. I think it was under 20 minutes. And I'll leave the, down below, I'll leave the link to this video. It's kind of a spoiler alert though, because if you watch my video, I kind of wanted to show you what my results were. So if you want to pause it before my results, I'll chime in again and let you know before I say the results. But I'll put the video down below so that you can try it yourself. So I just kind of wanted to introduce what it is that I was doing, and I did it in the morning. It was about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I just woke up, so I have my beanie on and my sleepy face. But I'll just introduce it from there, and then this is what I started filming after I'd went through the process, and then part of the video says to pause it, and then it would reveal what the target was. So this is after I did, and after everything that I had gone through in the training that was on that video. Then I filmed this, and then I revealed to myself what it was that the target was. So I'll start there, and then I'll chime in again to explain where I'm at. Okay, thanks. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. See more stuff like this, okay? See ya. Hello, this is my, where's the camera at? This is my first remote viewing session that I am trying using Technical Intuition's YouTube how-to, which is, I believe, 17 or 18 minutes. There's my number to create. Here are my idioms. Writing the number with my ideograms. I just wanted to explain that I'm about to flip the phone over because I filmed this on my phone and I wanted to make it one consecutive sequence, so you'll see part of the page but not all of it. I want to keep the integrity of the one shot without cutting. There's my ideograms. Here are my textures. Rough textures, bumpy, shiny, grain like wood grain. The colors are brown, dark like wood, smells bitter or synthetic. No tastes that I got. Temperatures are warm and cold. Sounds, hissing, white noise, traffic light. Dimensions, square, geometric like, table or cube. If I were there, how would it make me feel? Interested. And here are my sketches. So, something like that, like a table or something. Or windows or something here. Let's see what happens here. Asked to explain a couple more things, which I did here. To explain if it's an artificial environment, or a natural environment. I said artificial. I put indoors with windows and a smaller room or stations. I meant stations there. Or like several rooms looking out, or where there's no people but there's rooms, and then you could see outside. And then I got a couple more things here that came to mind. These circular things here, and then like a grid or something here. Grid of things. And then also the sounds, I got like instead of traffic like windy, white noise or hissing, like a shh kind of sound. No taste. And a geometric like tables, something. Instead of there being one, many of these things, like that. How would I feel? I would feel very interested when I got there. So let's see what it is. So at this point, the Technical Intuition person, I'll put his name here on the bottom when I edit this finally. He explains and reveals the target. So this is what happened after I did stop the camera, and then I started filming after on the actual reveal. So you'll see that.
The topic selected for this video was the Incan citadel set high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, Machu Picchu. Their task was to move to the optimal position and describe the site at the time the photograph on the screen was taken. Yeah.
There's my interpretation of it. Machu Picchu. I didn't get the llama. I added on hissing or windy. Square, geometric, like tables or cubes. Here, showing the buildings there, and maybe that's the mountains there. And I would be totally interested if I was there. Machu Picchu is one of the places that I want to go in my life sooner or later. It's rough, it's textured, bumpy. Rough, textured, bumpy, shiny, grainy. Or the sun's reflection. Brown, dark, like wood. Hello. Smells synthetic or bitter. I don't know what that is. I mean, that's wrong. No taste. Can't taste nothing there. Temperatures warm and cold. Okay. I've never been there, so maybe it's warm and cold. Hissing, white noise. The wind. Been up high in the mountains. Dimensions square, geometric, like tables or cubes. What the hell is all these? Cubes, geometric. And if I was there, I'd be very interested. There's my drawing. Artificial environment that is made, that is not natural, that is made. Indoors with windows. There's a bunch of windows there in rooms. Oh my God. Smaller rooms or stations with rooms, no people. I'm gonna look more into this remote viewing stuff and see if I could do something with it. Thanks, Technical Intuition. I'm Johnny. So there you go, there you have it. My first attempt at remote viewing using the Technical Intuition's how-to video, which is linked down below. Make sure that you click on that if you want to try your own remote viewing session for the first time. I'd like to introduce you to our creative director here at Off the Down Low. His name is Hudson, and he is a shaded silver Persian. He is on his nap break right now. He's in charge of all of our creative direction around here. Say hi, Huddy. So anyways, I really appreciate you. Oh, and our other creative director and manager. This is Miles. He's also on his break. And he's on my camera bag and he wouldn't get off of it for the last 3 days. So thank you once again for tuning in to Off the Down Low in this episode. I appreciate any of your comments down below or anything else that you have to say or comment on or request. And I'll check you out next time. Make sure you subscribe.